Tonight, while you're just chilling, eating something warm, you chew a couple of times, swallow, and go back to doom scrolling. Zero thoughts. But the reason you can do that so easily? It's about to blow up your mind. Do you know that? If our ancestors never discovered fire, we would literally be cooked. Imagine a version of you that never discovered fire. No stove, no grill, no Burger King, just raw meat, raw roots, raw everything, forever. You wouldn't even recognize that version of yourself, because that version wouldn't even have a brain advanced enough to ask the question. See, for most of Earth's history, eating was a literal full-time job. Chimps spend nearly half their day, 6 hours straight, just chewing raw plants to extract a fraction of energy. You spend maybe an hour a day eating? This isn't modern convenience. This is a massive play made by the OG 2 million years ago. A play that built the human brain. Well, I guess you need to build a monument for your 10th generation grandfather right now. Scientists found out that cooking is basically digestion happening outside the body. Heat breaks down the food before it even hits your mouth, so your body absorbs the calories instantly. And that's where the crazy trade-off happens. Your brain uses 20% of your daily energy just sitting there doing nothing, exactly like you when you doom scrolling. Something had to pay for that OP upgrade. What gave? The gut. Our gut shrank and our brain grew. A smaller gut can't handle raw, tough food. It needs to be cooked exactly how you got cooked in math final exam. In 2016, Harvard researchers made volunteers chew raw meat. It was a complete joke. They tried to lock in, but people literally gave up and spat it out because their jaws locked up. Cooking cuts the required chewing effort by half. Half, just from heat alone. If we stayed on a raw diet, your jaw would be massive, same as Erling Haaland. Your teeth would be terrifying, and you'd have zero energy for any side projects. No time to make tools, no time to doom scrolling, and definitely no time to play video games or watch this video right now. Cooking bought us time, and time turned into culture. Even social life started here. Fire needs people to tend it, which means everyone gathered around it at night. That's where storytelling, bonds, and plotting happened. Dinner became a social thing because your biology is hardwired from 2 million years ago to gather around cooked food. Without fire, your whole day would be just survival. Chewing instead of talking. Foraging instead of building. A tiny brain just to get by, exactly like a caveman. So that warm meal tonight, it's not just dinner. It's the exact reason you have a brain capable of thinking at all. However, mostly you are not using it.